Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to identify spam tokens and protect your crypto wallet from scams. Let's get started. First, head over to the Bitcoin website or your preferred platform. In my case, I'm already logged in. From here, go to the Trade section. Now, open your MetaMask wallet, copy your wallet address, and paste it on the platform. On the right side, under the Wallet section, you'll see the tokens available in your account. For example, you might find tokens like ABAC, BMBW, Zapped.io, ABFIN. These are just examples of what spam tokens might look like. You might also see legitimate tokens like SPC, Spaceport, or others like BNB or ADIA. However, here's the critical part. Never interact with unknown tokens. The danger of spam tokens. Spam tokens are often scams. Adding them to your wallet or interacting with them can compromise your entire crypto balance. Once you engage with these tokens, malicious contracts might drain your wallet. To check if tokens in your wallet are legitimate, 1. Go to bscscan.com or the appropriate blockchain explorer. 2. Enter your MetaMask address. 3. Look under the BP20 tokens section. You'll see a list of tokens and transactions. If you spot a suspicious token like aabac.net, you might see it flagged as phishing or a scam. Thankfully, platforms like BSC Scan can identify some of these tokens as fraudulent. Key tips to stay safe. Do not add unknown tokens. Never manually search for contract addresses of unknown tokens to add them to your wallet. Avoid suspicious links. Never click on phishing links or interact with spam tokens in your wallet. Monitor your transactions. Regularly check your wallet on blockchain explorers like BSC Scan for any unusual activity. Stay informed. Scammers continuously evolve their methods, so always stay updated on the latest threats. I hope this guide helps you safeguard your crypto wallet. Stay vigilant and protect your assets from phishing scams and spam tokens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.